The year 2023 is poised to be a groundbreaking year for artificial intelligence, with an array of AI trends set to come. As the capabilities of AI continue to expand, from generative AI models automating tasks to creating new artifacts like text and images. Searching ChatGPT. Log in or sign up. Examples, capabilities and limitations. Talking to ChatGPT. ChatGPT, dall-e and API. All ChatGPT platforms. Artwork created by AI. Generated AI art is becoming increasingly popular, allowing artists to explore new creative areas and steer away from conventional art forms. Natural language processing has come a long way in recent years. NLP is an AI technology that simplifies language-based processes. Apps powered by AI are becoming increasingly popular, offering users a range of innovative and practical functionalities. Leveraging AI in healthcare is revolutionizing patient care, reducing costs, and increasing efficiency. Also playing a significant role in cybersecurity in 2023, automating security systems and monitoring user behavior to protect sensitive data. Harnessing AI for business success. Harnessing AI for business success requires a well-defined strategy that aligns with employee interests and business goals. Investing in data quality. Investing in data quality is essential to the success of AI and ML implementations, as it ensures that the data used to train AI models is accurate and reliable. Collaboration between humans and AI. Collaboration between humans and AI is set to become a norm in 2023. We can combine the strengths of both humans and AI. Teams can achieve better decision-making, increased efficiency, and improved productivity. The year 2023 promises to be a groundbreaking year for AI advancements, with emerging trends and innovations set to reshape industries.